bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch him surfing at the Ventura County line.